My name is Ronan Byrne. I'm the sales manager of BLF Nutrition. We're a family-run business in Carlow. We manufacture mineral vitamin trace element supplements for the Irish farming community. We have been doing so for the last 39 years. My father John set up the business. While he was interested in animal welfare and nutrition, he saw a gap in the market for that, and he went out and sold nutritional products. And from there, he decided that he would like to manufacture them. We service the Irish farming community through a number of different species. Approximately 10% of our business is the swine sector, 10% being the ovine sector, about 5% being the equine, with the remainder being the beef and dairy sector. This is all done through both direct-to-farm produce and products through mills and agri-retailers. We would really feel that the market is there for the individual produce. In doing the analytical work and working out exactly what's deficient in an animal system, we can manufacture that product to specifically balance that diet. If you need 5,000 mg per kg of vitamin E, you will get that with BLF products. You won't get mass manufactured products that will either have too little or too much. The product will be tailored specifically for the customer. The systems we've put in place under the guidance of the Local Enterprise Office Carlow are now helping us to ensure this is done to 100% satisfaction.
Here at the Local Enterprise Office in Carlow, we help small businesses to develop, to start and to grow. And we can do this through a number of ways, both financial and non-financial. And we've been delighted to work with businesses such as BLF Nutrition here, offering them both financial assistance, but also very importantly, non-financial assistance in the form of mentoring, which I know the business has found very beneficial through the years in helping it to progress.
So while we would have competitors in this country that would turn upwards of 50 billion euros a year internationally, we're still able to compete because we're able to use our own core group of what was initially 10 employees and is now 15 thanks to the help of Leo Carlow. And these lower staff numbers and overheads allow us to come to the table and be more competitive on costing. And because of this, we're able to grow naturally and be cost effective.
And we can see here at BLF Nutrition that the small business over time has developed in providing the help and assistance, taking them from their current output and position and enabling them to participate on the international markets and to export and to really develop and grow their business. Maybe moving on from dealing with small local customers to more internationally focused business models.
Our growth over the past 39 years is basically down to the local farmer. And while we look further afield to wholesale markets and international markets, we're very mindful to be thankful to those farmers, and we will always ensure that the core of our business will be to support and to supply the local market. In developing our business from what was a traditional family-run small business to what we hope to be an international business in the long run, efforts and information from the Local Enterprise Office in Carlow has been truly invaluable to our success and us taking this to the next level. So we would obviously like to thank them for that and look forward to working with them in any form or capacity in the future.